All right, beautiful. All right, so now we're going to move on to a discussion of themes. So you can access themes by going to Appearance and clicking on Themes. So just be aware that just like plugins, themes also need to be kept up to date. There's not really that much to do here apart from setting a themes. But if you click on Customize, it allows you to, it allows you to customize some features of the website. So, just so you know, so sometimes if you're having trouble finding where to put something in a theme, you can go into here and you may actually find what you're looking for. So if you go to site identity, you can add a logo and you can change additional CSS, if you wanted to. Not that we'll be doing that because this is web design with no coding, but so just be aware that this is one of the areas that you may find things that you may not be able to find in other sections. So we've got that. So when you're done with it, you can click Navigate away from the page. And you've got your menus feature here. Now in the menus feature is where you actually set up menus. So we will go through actually creating a menu later on. But just be aware that if you need to set up any menus, this is where you would set them up. This is one area where you could do it. Alright, this was our section discussing themes, and we're going to move on to the next section.